Begin with, forces in Baramulla have arrested TRF terrorists after they received intel on terror activity in the area. On this information, joint nakas were established at all entry and exit points of Baramulla town by the forces. The terrorists were intercepted at a checkpoint, who then tried to conceal his identity. And after the arrest, it was found that the terrorist by the name Asif Gul is a history sheeter with 29 FIRs registered against, most of which have been registered under the Unlawful Activities Act. My colleague Zeenat and our Kashmir Bureau Chief is live with us to give more details. This particular person in question, Zeenat, has been detained 4 times under PSA between the year 2015 and 2018. Yet another crackdown by our forces. Give us more information, please.
See, Christian, if we take the arrest of Asif Gul, who has been absconding his arrest for a long time, for the last 6 to 8 months, the police were after him. In fact, a joint naka, after getting an intel input about his movement, was established in Baramulla Handwara Road. And on 29, the security forces were able to nab him, although first he tried to conceal his identity, but then later on it came to know that he was Asif Gul, who has some 30 FIRs in Baramulla and 1 FIR in Sopore police station. Not only the frisking of him was done, but also his car was frisked, where some 3 Chinese grenades that he had concealed in the coal bag was recovered. Although the Jammu Kashmir police claims this is one of the biggest arrests of this year as of now, because he has been a history sheeter and was involved in recruitment of youngsters. He used to radicalize youngsters and had been in constant touch with one of us, Abid Qayyum, who is basically a commander of TRF, which is a part of Lashkar-e-Toiba, and is a handler across POK. In fact, he is from the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, although he is from Kashmir, but has crossed over long time. So he used to get in touch with this Abid Qayyum and would do things here. In fact, he had been attacking the security forces every time he had been taken. His movements were also seen in South Kashmir, although as the SSP Baramulla Abdul Qayyum claims that this Asif Gul has also visited Srinagar, although they are grilling him, but the police believes that this is one of the biggest arrests that they have done, because a lot of damage Asif Gul has done as far as the people as far as taking the youngsters to the terror ranks. He used to radicalize them, he used to make them join to the terror outfits, and he had been here working as an OGW of Lashkar-e-Toiba and part of TRF, which is actually a part of Lashkar-e-Toiba in Kashmir. Although this police claims that this is one of the biggest arrests, because he has been involved in a lot of terror activities. He was also a stone pelter, has been booked under a Public Safety Act for 4 times, and now they claim that his arrest is going.
Well,
he is going to
spill. A part of Lashkar-e-Toiba, and forces have arrested a terrorist belonging to that terror outfit. Zeenat, for the moment we leave it at that. Many thanks for sharing those details.
एक बंदा जिसका नाम आसिफ गुल, इसको हमने 29 दिसंबर को पकड़ा था. इसके बारे में हम थोड़ा सा आपको जानकारी देना चाहते हैं कि ये आसिफ गुल वो बंदा है जिसको हम पिछले लगभग 8 महीने से ढूंढ रहे थे. अगर आपको याद होगा, 17 तारीख को अगस्त में जो हमारी पुलिस और सीआरपीएफ की पार्टी पे अटैक हो गया था, जिसमें हमारे कुछ जवान शहीद हो गए थे, और उसके बाद जो एनकाउंटर वहाँ पे हुआ, जिसमें नॉर्थ कश्मीर के जो सबसे ख़तरनाक और लॉन्ग सर्वाइविंग मिलिटेंट्स, जिनमें हैदर और दूसरा जो FT उसमें था उस्मान, और उसके साथ एक और इनायतुल्लाह, मारे गए थे. तो उस ऑपरेशन के बाद जब उसके हमने इन्वेस्टिगेशंस में चला कि ये अगर नॉर्मली उनका जो एरिया ऑफ ऑपरेशन रहता था वो सोपोर और हंडवारा के बीच में रहता था, तो ये बारामुल्ला इलाके में गए, जो काफ़ी टाइम से बिल्कुल पीसफुल था, शांत था वहाँ पर था. तो उसी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चलते हमने कुछ वहाँ पे उसको कुछ OGWs को अरेस्ट किया था. उन OGWs की जब हमने इन्वेस्टिगेशन की, उनसे जो इंटरोगेट किया था, उसमें हमें आसिफ गुल का नाम आया. तो उससे पहले लेकिन ये लापता हो गया था, ये हाइड आउट में चला गया था, या कुछ जो अभी तक प्रिलिमिनरी इंटरोगेशन इससे हुई है, श्रीनगर भी गया है, बीच में ये आउट ऑफ स्टेट भी गया है, और हंडवारा के कुछ इलाकों में घूमता रहा. ये कहने का मतलब मेरा है कि आज जो हमने इसको पकड़ा है, ये एक ऐसी अचीवमेंट हम समझते हैं जो पूरी बारामूला पुलिस और जो सिक्योरिटी फोर्स यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं, कि ये बंदा ऐसा है जो खुद एक तो इन्वॉल्व है, लेकिन उसके साथ से नौजवान लड़कों को भी तबाह करने में बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व है. इसके नाम पे पहले से ही 29 FIR लगे हैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट बारामूला में, और उसके अलावा 2 FIR इसको सोपोर इलाके में भी लगे हैं. 4 बार इसका इससे पहले PSA हुआ है, اور آج اس کا ڈسٹرکٹ بارہمولہ میں یہ جو FIR نمبر 30 اس کے نام پر لگ گیا ہے. اس کی کہانی تھوڑا میں اس طرح بتاؤں